stitches all picked up. So we can just see from here, we've got, I'll turn it around this way, you've got the top of the foot stitches here, then we've got all the heel stitches on here. I'm now going to reposition these a little bit to make kind of the next bit of gusset shaping easier, or at least how I feel it's easier. Obviously there's many ways to do this, but I'm going to divide it so that I've got the heel stitches divided onto 2 of the needles and the foot on 2, so that there's obviously going to be more stitches on these 2 needles, but that will make sense why I do it as we move on. So to begin with, I'm going to knit across 7 of the 14 stitches across the heel. Now, I knitted into the back of that first stitch. That wasn't intentional, it had just been put back on the needle the wrong way when I moved it around earlier. So now I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 from the picked up stitches, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stitches on this needle, including the 7 from the top of the heel. So as I've only got 5 needles, I'm just going to slip these without twisting them onto this needle, so we should have 18. I'm also just going to slip that little marker in there so that we know 4, 5, 6, 7. So then there'll be 18 stitches down here, and we know that this will now be needle 1. So we've got needle 1, 2, 3 and 4.